How to fix payment failed issue on Lyft. Got a payment failed message? Here's how to fix it quickly in the Lyft app. First, open the Lyft app on your device and go to your profile. Here you can find the payment option. Tap payment. Make sure your default card is up to date and has not expired. If needed, tap add payment method to add a new card, PayPal or other supported option. Then retry your ride request. If the issue persists, remove and re-add your payment method and double check for typos or declined cards. Sometimes banks block unfamiliar charges. Check your email or banking app for any alerts. Ever had a ride blocked due to payment errors? Share your fix in the comments below. And that's how you can fix payment failed issue on Lyft. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.